How to recover deleted videos on Instagram. So if you want to recover deleted videos on Instagram, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Instagram application. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Now go with your profile, which is on the bottom right. From your profile, you need to go with the top right, which has that 3 horizontal lines. And then you need to tap on the account center. From the account center, go with your permissions or your information and permissions, and then go with export your information or download your information. It might ask you to log into your account, so you just need simply go and log into your Instagram. Now you can just simply go with create export and select your Instagram. Select export to device or transfer to a destination. I'll select the first one. Now scroll down and then go with customize information. Under customize, we need to clear all of the other options and only select the videos or reels. Once you've selected, you need to go with save and then go with the date range, the notification email, the format, the media quality, and then go with start export. And within a few hours, you will have the file ready to download. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.